Hello everyone, this is Shram from LearnAcon, and today we are talking about AMRs, which are basically the self-driving cars of the industrial world. The era of human-driven forklift is ending. We are seeing these smart robots taking over the factory floor, moving parts from packaging machines to the dock without a single person involved. In this video, I am going to show you how AMRs are transforming modern manufacturing for good. Let's dive in. When you think of a robot, you might picture a machine bolted to a floor or one that just follows a painted line. But an AMR, or autonomous mobile robot, is a different breed entirely. It is essentially a self-driving vehicle designed for indoor environments like warehouses or factory floors. What makes them autonomous is their ability to make decisions on the fly. They don't need expensive infrastructure like floor magnets or painted tracks to know where they are. Instead, they carry their brains and eyes right on the board. This means you can drop an AMR into a new plant, and within a short time, it learns the layout and starts working. It's the ultimate combination of mobility and intelligence. To understand AMRs, you have to compare them to their predecessors, the AGVs, or automated guided vehicles. Think of an AGV like a train. It's very efficient, but it can only go where the tracks are. If a pallet is left in the middle of an AGV's path, the robot just stops and waits for a human to move the obstacle. AMRs are more like a GPS-enabled car. If the main hallway is blocked, the AMR detects the obstacle, calculates a new path, and keeps moving. This dynamic movement is a game changer for busy workplaces. You don't have to keep your floors perfectly clean 24/7 because the AMR is smart enough to navigate the chaos of a living, breathing workspace. But how does a robot navigate without a driver? It uses a suite of high-tech sensors, primarily LiDAR and 3D cameras. LiDAR works by firing thousands of laser pulses every second to measure the distances to walls and objects, creating a 360-degree map of the room. This process is called SLAM, Simultaneous Localization and Mapping. As the robot moves, it constantly compares what it sees in real time to its digital map to figure out exactly where it is within a few centimeters. And most importantly, these sensors are tuned for safety. They can distinguish between a static shelf and a moving human or a forklift, allowing the robot to slow down or stop instantly to prevent accidents. The biggest reason companies are obsessed with AMR is the massive boost in efficiency. In a traditional warehouse, workers might spend up to 70% of their day just walking from one shelf to another. AMRs take over the dead travel time. By letting the robot handle the miles of walking, humans can stay in one zone to do the high-value tasks like picking and packing. Furthermore, AMRs are incredibly scalable. If your business grows, you don't need to rebuild your warehouse. You just buy 2 more robots and add them to the fleet. They can be redeployed to different tasks in minutes, making them one of the most flexible investments a logistic company can make. AMRs aren't just for moving boxes in an Amazon warehouse. Their roles are expanding every day. In manufacturing, they transport heavy raw materials to assembly lines exactly when they are needed. In the world of e-commerce, they act as a mobile courier, carrying individual packages to the right shipping chutes. But we are also seeing them in clean environments. Hospitals use AMRs to transport lab samples, linen, and meals between floors, allowing nurses to spend more time with patients. Even some hotels use small AMRs to deliver room services. Anywhere that involves moving an item from point A to point B is a candidate for an AMR job. Safety is the top priority in any industrial environment. Forklifts are one of the leading causes of workplace injuries, but AMRs are designed to be inherently safe. They use LiDAR and 3D depth cameras to maintain a 360-degree safety bubble. If a worker steps out from behind a pillar or another vehicle crosses their path, the AMR reacts in milliseconds, slowing down or coming to a complete stop. Because they are predictable and speed governed, they are perfect for collaborative zones where humans and robots work side by side. By automating the heavy high-traffic hauling, we remove the most dangerous manual tasks from the floor, creating a workspace that is not just more efficient, but significantly safer for the people running it. The final piece of the puzzle is how the robots talk to the rest of the factory. In an Industry 4.0 setup, AMRs are fully integrated with the Warehouse Management System (WMS) and the ERP or Enterprise Resource Planning. This means the robots aren't just moving blindly, they are part of a digital nervous system. Managers can see exactly where every piece of inventory is in real time. We can track battery levels, optimize traffic patterns to avoid robot gridlock, and even use AI to predict which part will be needed next based on the production schedule. This level of connectivity turns a standard warehouse into a smart facility where every movement is data-driven, optimized, and perfectly synchronized with the global supply chain. Looking ahead, the future of AMRs is all about orchestration. We are moving toward fleet intelligence, where dozens or hundreds of robots talk to each other through the cloud to avoid traffic jams and optimize routes across a whole facility. We are also seeing the rise of cobots, where robotic arms are mounted on top of AMRs, allowing them to not only move goods, but also pick them up off the shelf. Eventually, this leads us to the dark warehouse, a facility so automated it doesn't even need the lights on. While we aren't there yet, AMRs are the critical first step in creating a world where logistics is invisible, instant, and fully autonomous. Okay, that was an overview on autonomous mobile robots. I hope you've learned something new. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.